Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video we will unbox and review the Mini-O-Grabox April 2019 edition, which is priced at just Rs 279 including shipping. I know it's a bit late for the Grabox review, but my box was actually lost in transit and the Grabox team was kind enough to send me another box. Without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. So this is how the box looks like. It has their brand logo and their website address. It's a simple cardboard box. And inside we have this card, April Mini-O-Grabox, and all the products come inside this pack-on pouch. So let me start with the skincare. The first product is this body wash in candy variant. So it's gonna have that candy fragrance. It's for 250 rupees, best before 24 months from 3/2019, and it's 100 ml full size. It has 100% natural fragrance as well, and here are the ingredients mentioned. Here are the usage and the claims of the product, and it has a very nice, beautiful, transparent purpley color. It comes with a pump packaging. And yes, it has a very nice candy fragrance. So if you're someone who loves those sour candies, you would love using this. It will be a very nice experience having a shower with this one every day. Then the next skincare product is again by the Facon brand, and it's their Tea Tree Essential Oil 8 ml size roll-on. Well, I have already used the Facon Tea Tree Essential Oil, which comes in a bottle packaging. And I use that, I just mix it with my moisturizer if I have some pimples and all, and I apply it on my face, especially on the areas where I have acne issues. And I've also used that along with my shampoos if I have dandruffs during winter times. This is a roll-on, so I think this has been toned down along with some carrier oil so that you can directly apply it to your acne wherever there are pimples, because otherwise the concentrated essential oils, you'll have to mix it with some carrier oils or some moisturizer to tone down. You cannot directly apply an essential oil on your face. But since this is in a roll-on packaging, I believe this has already some carrier oil added to it so that you can directly roll it on your acne or pimples or affected area wherever you want to use it. It's best before 3 years from March 2018. MRP is 180 rupees. I'll check with the team and mention it on the screen if this has some other carrier oil and whether it can be applied directly on face or not by writing something on the screen here so that you can read that and you can actually know how to use it. Because if it is concentrated tea tree oil, you must not use it directly on your face. It is going to be very harsh on your skin. Now the last skincare product is by a very well-known brand, Ever Youth, and this particular product I believe most of us have already used. I have used it myself for quite a long time. This and the Himalaya Apricot scrub, these were the two scrubs I used to have when I didn't have all the idea about organic products and all. So these are the brands I was using, and this is the particular scrub that I've used for years. It does have bigger granules, so you have to apply it with very light hands, but it does do a very good job of scrubbing off all the impurities and all dead scales. Okay, let me show you the price. It's just for 11 rupees. It's a sample size of 7 grams, but this itself will last you for 2 to 3 or maybe 4-5 usages for your face. So you can probably use it for a month, because scrubbing you need to do only once a week. Then moving to makeup, this month we have this SFR Color Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. So this one is in the color 02. So this is how the shades look like, and these are cream highlighters. So there's a goldeny shade, there's a champagne shade, this will have like a silver highlight, and this one you can probably use it as a blush cum highlighter. So if you don't want to use a blush separately and you want a glowy flushed look on your face, this is the color you can use. Let me just swatch one of these. It's not sparkly, it's kind of subtle on your skin, so you need to layer it up. Yeah, I like it. Not sure if you can see the sheen, and I like such soft glow. I definitely like it. So this is the shade that I would suggest for darker skin tone girls, because we have a golden undertone usually. This is the shade I would suggest for fairer skin tone girls, and this is something which I told is for blush cum highlighter look. Now after that we always get our jewelry as well. So this time we have this beautiful Afghan earrings with tassels in black. So this is how the earrings look like. A very pretty design, something that you can wear with your suits and kurtis. It's a bit big in size. It will definitely show up as a statement piece, but it's not heavy at all. It's quite lightweight. And this is how the back side looks like. So yeah, I'm happy with those two. That's all we have in the Mini-O-Grabox. Let's have a look at the pricing details. The body wash we read for 250 rupees and the highlighter palette is for 280 rupees. Earrings are for 200. Tea tree essential oil price we read as 180 and the Everyouth scrub is a complimentary product. So the total worth is more than 900 rupees and you're just paying 279 including shipping, which is definitely great. I did like the body wash and the tea tree oil. I like basically all the skincare. I did like them and I didn't expect to like this so much because I was thinking since it's a bit affordably priced brand, it will have those chunky glitters in it which will show up on your face, but this is quite subtle and gives a very nice glow, so I'm actually liking it. And then the earrings also, I did like them. A very basic earring. I might not wear them very often, but yeah, it's a good design and something that most of you can wear. So that was all for my Mini-O-Grabox review for the month of April 2019. If you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and some love in the comment section below. I'll truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.